Hey! Oh, Fernella. Bonjour, ni, Jana Chanel Bedu. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today our Ojibwe word of the day is gonna be, what do you think, sweetie? What should the Ojibwe word of the day be?
Oh, how about Nano Gijagud, 5th day, Friday.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Nano Gija Good, Friday. And today is Friday. You know, the free day, even though you're still at work, I hope. And so, yeah, Nano Gija Good, Friday. It is Friday, August 24th. Nishtana Niwen, Nishtana Ashi Niwen, Nishtana Ashi Niwen, 24. And it's Manu Minike Gizis. It's the wild rice moon. So yeah. Alright, so what's going on, sweetie? What's new in your world?
Oh, I don't know. Let me see. It's Friday. So, you want to go out tonight?
I want to go out. And with what for money?
Oh, I don't know. We could do something cheap.
Yeah, like what?
Oh, we could just go for a walk and maybe stop by Dairy Queen on the way home.
You want to go to Dairy Queen?
Yeah, I want to get something chocolatey.
Okay. Alright then. So it's Friday. It's Nano Gija Good. And it's a good day to take your sweetheart to Dairy Queen. It's a really nice day. It's also Zagate. It's really sunny, so maybe today is a good day to go to Dairy Queen after all. Yeah, let's do that, baby. That's a date. It's date night. Take your sweetheart out to Dairy Queen. Get something sweet. All right. Well, you know what? Let's just cut this short. I want to wish you all a lovely Friday and a good weekend. If I don't see you until Monday. All right. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Yiga waba min, minawa, lowa. Yeah, that's a really good idea. We'll go get a blizzard.